Fine. So I'll describe two things. One thing is I'll make button clickable. First, I'll just show you the toast message and button clickable and toast message. For that, I need a button. Okay. So I'm dragging and dropping the button. Right click, center, horizontal in parent. Right click, center, vertical in parent. Okay. I'll just rename it as click. I'll just rename it as click. Okay. Now I'll run this. I'll run this program. Are you able to see this emulator? Okay. So did you get this output? Okay. Are you able to see this output? Now this button, yes, it is clickable, but it is not taking any action. Is that taking any action? It is not taking any action. Okay. So for that, you need to use on click listener. Okay. How you need to use? There are two methods. The method one. Okay. You are setting an on click listener. How? Okay. I'll show you. See, this click button should need ID ID as click. Okay. Before teaching this, I'll teach. You need to give each and every views. Button is a view. In the last class, I've told you button is a view, scroll view, text view, plain text, edit text, password. Everything is a view. Each view will be having respective IDs. Okay. See, say for example, in WhatsApp, you have many views. You have profile button, status button, chat button, correct? You have search button, you have group info button, select message button. You have plenty of okay. You have plenty of numbers, correct? You have plenty of views. Now, say for example, you have many students in the class. Okay, there are many students in the class. How can you point out Manoj, Payas? Okay, so with their names or with their USN. Every engineering students in under VTU will be having unique ID, unique USN, right? Okay, so Manoj, what is your USN?
1V18CS 092.
1VE 18 CS.
092.
Okay, so I'll just rename this click as, okay, I'll just rename this click as Manoj. Okay, so Manoj, then I'll just increase the text size as 33 dp. Okay, so I'll increase the font also. Okay, Manoj. So this Manoj will be having unique ID. Okay, this Manoj This Manoj will be having unique ID. What is your username, Manoj? Come again. CS.
092.
CS. I'll just say CS Manoj. Okay. CS Manoj. Okay. CS Manoj. Okay. I'm giving ID as CS Manoj. I need to integrate this XML, the front end with the back end Java. Okay. How I am integrating this front end XML to the back end Java like this. Okay. I need to create, there is a button. Okay. Manoj, Java Manoj. I'll just say Java Manoj. Okay. Java Manoj should be integrated with, there is a button in my XML. Find that button by ID. Where is that ID? In the resource with an ID as CS Manoj. Now this XML Manoj is integrated with Java. Now whatever the program I write for this Java Manoj, it is applicable. Okay. Now Java Manoj dot, see, it will be very difficult in the beginning. Okay, later on stages, if you practice, it will be very easy. I'll repeat it again how I integrated. Listen carefully how I integrated XML button. Okay, I am making this button clickable. Now this is not clickable. This is clickable, but it is not taking any action. To take an action, I'll just make this button clickable using the ID. Okay. Now I'll go with the Java main. So I'll just define button Java Manoj. Okay. Enter. Next. This Java Manoj should be integrated with the button which is present in the XML. Find that view. Find that view by ID. Where is that ID? In the resource file with an ID dot CS Manoj. Okay. If you remember like a story, okay, if you remember like a sentence, then it is very easy to code. I'll just repeat it one more time because I have faced a problem when I was learning. Okay, there is a button. Okay, this button Java Manoj button should be integrated. So I'm just declaring that Java Manoj button should be integrated with, there is a button in my XML, that is front view. Okay, front end. Find that view. Button is a view, right? Find that view by ID. Where is that ID? In the resource file dot ID dot with the ID as CS Manoj. Okay. Now you can start programming for Java Manoj. Java Manoj dot set on click listener new view on click listener. See here, how did I do this? Listen carefully. Java Manoj dot set on click listener, on click, what should happen? On click listener new view on click listener. Okay, new view on click listener. Upon clicking the Java Manoj button, it should do some work. Okay, what work we have not mentioned, but it should do some work. Now I am introducing the concept called toast. See, you will be getting a message login successful or login failed. You will be getting a short message. It is for 2 seconds or 1 second or 3 seconds. Correct? So that is called as toast message in Android application development. How it is? Toast dot make a text, not a bread toast. Okay, toast, it's a widget present in the Android application development. Toast dot make a text. Where you need to make a text? In the main activity dot this only. Wherever you are staying in the page where you are in, main activity dot this comma. Okay, you need to post Manoj. I am pressing, I am entering the text. Manoj USN is. Okay, Manoj USN is 1VE 18CS 092. Am I correct this? Is this the correct one, Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Okay, comma. Toast this message for short length, then show this message. Okay, so upon clicking this, see, first initially what I've done, I've created one Java Manoj button. That Java Manoj button is integrated with your XML button. XML button, how we are integrating? You are giving an ID and you are integrating. Upon clicking that Java Manoj button, some work should be happen. What is that work? You need to toast a message. Okay, while running, I'll just show you. Stop this and I'll just run this in the emulator. Okay, see here, upon clicking this, okay, carefully just see this. Upon clicking this, Manoj USN is, okay, I'll just make long, length long. Okay, stop this and I'll play it. You will be getting a small message. I'll press and Manoj. I'll click on the Manoj. Manoj USN is 1V18CS092. Can you see this message? Toast message. Manoj USN is 1VE18CS092. Okay, I'll just change this text. Hi, this is Manoj and my USN is so and so. I'll change the text. Play this. It is launching the activity. See here, upon clicking this Manoj. Hi, this is Manoj and my USN is 1V18CS092. I'll click on this 92. Now, just see here, I'll just comment this. Now it will not work. Okay, so I'll just run this. Okay, I'm clicking on this. See here, no action is taking place. See here, I'm clicking so many times. Are you able to see this? But if I toast a message, okay, stop this and I'll play this. Installing this. As the activity is going to launch, I am clicking this Manoj. Hi, this is Manoj and my USN